Welcome to new aspirants. Medical Council of India, that is MCI, recognized or permitted approval by MCI. How to know private medical colleges in MBBS admission? Dear aspirants, it is very important to know and apply the MBBS program in private medical colleges across the India. Welcome to new aspirants. How to know private medical colleges have recognized or permitted by Medical Council of India. We request to the aspirants, please click subscribe button for more information and videos. Private medical colleges have recognized or permitted approval from MCA. What is meant by recognized by MCA? Recognized means exit MBBS student to work anywhere in India. Permitted seats by MCA means exit MBBS student to work in particular state only, that is medical colleges located state. Private medical colleges permitted to recognized approval from MCA. 1. If the private medical colleges gets recognized by MCA in future, then medical students can work anywhere in India. 2. If permitted continues means that the institute does not satisfy the MCA norms, that is, enough infrastructure or teaching faculty or standard norms facility. Whenever completing the norms and after getting the recognized approval from MCA, the students can practice or work anywhere in India and after recognized approval by MCA of concerned private medical colleges. Students, how to know the private medical colleges are permitted or recognized by MCA? How to know recognized or permitted medical colleges of particular programs? First, to open the Google website, please type MCI, that is Medical Council of India. Please click NMC, that is www.nmc.org.in. We request to the aspirant, please click information desk and then go to college and course search. So first type course name. That's we will select the course is MBBS. Then status. So we will take to the permitted, to click permitted button. Second, the management. Please click private. For example, there are number of states mentioned in the state category. We will select to the Telangana state. Then go to the tab, click View Results. There are 5 colleges are given: serial number, course name, select a state, name and address of medical colleges, medical institutions, institute name, management of college, year of inspection of college, annual intake, seats, status of MCA/NMC recognition, date of LOP. The first is MBBS Telangana State, TRR Institute of Medical Science, Patancheru. The year of established was 2020. The annual intake seat 150. It is treated by permitted under section 10 of A for 2021. Second is Surabhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Siddipet, Telangana. The year of established was 2019. Intake seat was 150. Third, Mamta Academy of Medical Sciences, Bachupalli. The year of established was 2019. Total intake seat was 150. Fourth, Dr. Patnam Magandha Reddy Institute of Medical Sciences, Chevella Rangareddy. The year of established was 2019. The total intake seat was 150. Fifth, IN Institute of Medical Sciences Teaching Hospital and Research Center, Kanaka, Mamidi, RR District. The year of established was 2018. The intake seat was 150. Dear student, these medical colleges have permitted, moreover, the students whenever completed the course and then recognized by the Medical Council of India. In some exception cases, some medical colleges does not meet the standard norms, teaching faculty or infrastructures at the time of visiting by the MCA team, then it continue the permitted. Students, whenever the set program continue in the permitted, students can practice only in the particular state of medical colleges located state. And after recognized by the MCA, then student can practice anywhere in India. This is for your information. We request to the students, please go through the NMC website of particular private medical colleges are recognized or permitted in each state. Please keep reference for the year of established of old colleges. Suppose low NEET marks did not meet the old private medical colleges, then there is no option. Student can opt the new private medical colleges. It is undertaken by the permitted approval by MCA. Don't worry, students can apply the private medical colleges of new whenever the permitted can be changed to the recognized at the time of students can completed the MBBS programs. In some exceptional cases, some of the private medical colleges does not meet the teaching faculty, infrastructure facilities, or any other standard norms, then visited by the MCA team at the time of inspection. Moreover, 99% of the private medical colleges can completed the MCA standard norms. So students, don't worry, we apply the any private colleges. Thank you. Best wishes.